Warsaw Restock.
Douche.
So we got some restocks. There's a special something in here
There's
too.
a special something.
We've got some worn pairs to look at.
Yeah, well,
So we're just gonna go with it. Because that's the point of Rose Anvil too, is we can just kind of get on and update you guys on the collaborations, what's dropping, what's changing, get your guys' opinions and ideas on stuff. We sold out of the Warsaws, right?
Yeah, we sold out in like a couple hours, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. Sweet. And we did a pretty small batch, but still, I was shocked at how fast we sold out of them. Because the thing that I liked about these, me and Sam are still learning how to use the multi-view, is I loved these because it was that combination of kind of a Danner hiking boot, like the mountain boot, combined with the skate shoe, and it being durable enough that you could literally do anything in it, but still skatable, as far as I know. It's like I don't skate.
Yeah, it's like your all-weather, everything to do skate shoe. Hiking boot made skate shoe. Right?
Yeah.
That's pretty sick. I've actually finally been able to wear these since I broke my ankle. And, but yeah, they're maybe a little heavier than your normal skate shoe, but they're sick. Like,
Yeah.
they feel more like hiking boots because they're built more like hiking boots because they're supposed to be, you know, durable.
Right, and like some of the things I like that's pulled from more, like obviously this is in skate too, like the hole cut design, you've got a little seam right there, but for the most part it's a seamless hole cut design, very similar to the Danners and skate shoes. Big chunky laces, full tall vulcanized foxing, that little external counter cover. So I think that, my cousin Jacob, he's one of my canaries in the coal mine, because he's probably like 38, he's a little bit older than me, and he used to skate when he was young, but now he's in his later 30s, and he does a lot more things, but he's getting back into skating. Same with Ryan, who was one of the editors for Stitch Down, and those two dudes loved these. They were hyped on them because that exact same reason. They're just like, I like my skate shoes, but I either wear through them too fast, and I can't wear them anywhere but skating because they're trashed. And then I have to have another pair of shoes. These are like a good all-around shoe. If I need to do a quick sesh, I can do it. If I need to go for a quick little hike, I can do it. If I'm just wearing them casually, I can do it, because they're quality through and through. And one of my favorite parts is the gusseted tongue. That we actually got a gusseted tongue on a sneaker.
Gusseted tongue is sick. It's an underrated feature is the pigskin lining.
Yeah.
Because it does make it feel like not like any skate shoe that you have, but you're fully wrapped in pigskin leather.
Yeah.
And it feels good on your feet. Like you put it on, and some people like that it like kind of grips your sock. Like I like that it kind of grips your sock.
Me too.
And, like makes you feel secure in there.
Right.
I don't know. I was a big fan of the Warsaws, and this is just like our version of it.
Well, even just working with Jamie alone is so sick.
It is pretty cool.
Like, it's similar to like the Naked and Famous collaboration we just did. I'm like, this doesn't even feel real.
Yeah.
And like I'm not even a big skater, but like meeting some of these pro skaters still blows me away. And I'm not even like in the skate industry.
Yeah.
And so shout out to Jamie for letting us help with these collaborations and being a part of it, because it's cool working with him. And each of these CEOs and all the different brands and the people that have started this, or even like the skaters we've met, they're such a unique style of person that you don't run into as much when you're working with like giant corporate brands.
Yeah.
Because these guys care about the product first and foremost. They don't care about like, let's do 10,000 units, let's do this, we got to make this much money. They're just like, no, we just want to make sick products that actually represent the brand that he's trying to build and the values he's trying to build into it. And when it aligns with us, that's just like match made in heaven. And so shout out, Jamie.
Shout out. Should we open the new one?
Let's do it.
I'm not 100% sure what's in here. I saw a sneak peek of it like a month ago, and I was like, those are super sick. You should send them through, because I think the whole project as a whole is very cool. But maybe just unbox them and just rip it, because I've kind of seen them here and there. I don't know if you've seen them at all.
Yeah, there we go. What knife are we doing today? The CJRB on Instagram. The Kajerb Cutlery on Instagram. CJRB Cutlery on Instagram, CJRB.net. And let's see what they sent us. Gotta have another knife for the knife unboxing.
Kajerb Cutlery.
Kajerb, shout out to Kajerb as well. Got my little Christie knife to help us.
I'm excited. Fancy box.
Did I tell you that we emailed the Christie guy? It might have been you actually. Like, hey, let's collaborate. Let's do this. Like, we just did your video. And he was like, I know. You sent way too much traffic to our site. He's like, respectfully, we don't want to collaborate because we can't keep up with you guys.
There you go.
Because we kept selling them out with just these little knives. So shout out to Christy as well. Freaking CJRB, Christy, the Christy knife guy. And Warsaw. Everyone's getting shout outs. Oh, dang. That's a sick looking little knife. It's like a little stiletto knife, maybe.
That is cool.
I think they're called stiletto knives.
It's like half butterfly knife.
Dang. That's so sick.
It's so skinny.
Yeah, compare that to this Kershaw. Pretty cool.
Tight. I like it.
And somebody,
I was never a knife guy, and now I like all these knives that we're getting.
Same.
Which is sick.
and anytime I actually really like a knife, I put it on my belt and then I immediately lose it.
I know.
I
I
lose
got to
every
put all my
freaking
knives on
knife.
my desk, and then someone moves them around and elves in the night.
Yup. I actually got a really.
Some of them.
I got a cool knife one time from. It's like Workman Knives or something, and it was like $300. He does like limited drops, and it was like this iron wood handle, and I waited for months to get it. I finally got it, and I lost it like 2 days later. And I'm like, how does this? Like anytime I have like a really cool knife I'm hyped on, I always lose it. And all the cheap knives I never lose. Let's get this booklet first. Okay, just looks like a little notebook, lined notebook, kind
I
of.
like that.
What's that really popular moleskin?
Moleskin or Field Notes?
Field Notes. That's what I was thinking of.
Oh, the Leap of Faith.
Oh,
nice.
signed. That counts towards me. Usually Jamie just addresses Sam only, which is fair. You guys mostly work together, but
That's true.
glad they put the.
Heroes Anvil with love. Nice.
yeah.
Are you familiar with the Leap of Faith?
Nope. I can assume that's a hell of a drop that this guy. No, he's on the rail, right? Or
No.
explain it to me.
He always over the gap, and this is like the biggest gap ever. This
How-
is in the mid '90s, I believe.
Is that Jamie?
Yeah, that's Jamie Thomas.
Dang,
Jamie Thomas.
Jamie!
And I was like, I feel like if people know Jamie Thomas, it's like, yeah, you know the Leap of Faith. It's like, that's gnarly. I think some dude just did it a couple years ago, but I don't think he landed it because there's video of it. He just like smacks. It would make my ankles explode.
How far of a drop is that?
I think it's like, oh boy, I should look it up real quick.
Let me guess. I'm going to take a measurement off of
Embarrassing.
the table. 3 foot, 6 foot, 9 foot, 12 foot, 15. So I'm going to say 18 feet.
18 feet. I'm guessing 22.
True.
18 feet. You're right.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's just
That's AI overview, but
simple Boy Scout rule. Do you ever do the rule where you put your thumb up to the tree and you measure the tree on your thumb? No, you have someone stand next to a tree, you measure their height with your thumb, and you take your thumb and you.
Oh, I just do the crocodile hunter, the arm's length.
I don't know.
4
that
fingers out. Every like you put it up to the sun. And it's like every finger is like 15 minutes.
Whoa.
So you're like, oh, it's like an hour. Oh, it's 2 hours. Oh, it's 3 hours. I don't know if it's real, but
Boy Scouts.
I tell my wife it is, and she's impressed. So, all
That's all that matters, as long as the ladies are impressed.
right, let's look at the back. Oh, nice.
Join
Zero Army.
Zero Army.
Sick.
Cool.
Cool.
Got some-
Goes up on behind my desk again.
And Sam gets first priority on all that. Got some Warsaw stickers.
Warsaw sticker. Warsaw sticker.
Got you a
Oh,
beanie.
Warsaw beanie.
I'll unbox this one.
Fancy.
A large something. Oh, undies. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh,
These are.
oh, they actually look nice.
Who gets these? Me or you?
I'm probably an XL. Got a
Hey.
big fat butt. So,
All right. These are going to my collection then.
how's
Nice.
the beanie look?
Should I try the underwear on?
Whip it out. Let's go.
I did one video. Actually, I've done a few recently because it's so hot in here. They just take my pants
Take your
off.
pants off. Nice. It's like the Seinfeld thing. You take your pants off so you don't crease on.
Yeah.
Ooh,
No, it's just
number
the
11.
swass. I'm just trying to avoid the swass. Okay, do we open up 10
Oh.
or 11?
Ooh, I don't know. I don't know. There was 2.
Let's do 11 first because this one looks extra special with that logo.
Is
on
that
it.
the sizes, 10 and 11, or is that the numbers? Ooh, I don't know anything
Good
about
question.
this.
Okay, you do that one first.
All right.
I'll do the other
Number
box.
11.
I heard a theory that the reason they called 11 on Stranger Things was because 11 in the upside down is still 11.
Oh.
And that's why she was the only one that was able to do it.
Depends on what numerals you're using.
That's fair.
All right, what do we got? All right. Oh, the slip-ons.
I love these slip-ons.
Oh, these look nice. Ooh,
Oh,
with
dang.
The heel patch at the end too.
US. Because tell
So-
what's the story of these?
The story is these are made from recycled U.S. Army bags.
That's
like,
so sick.
Oh, I should have hit up because my grandpa used to be like the warrant officer. Or
Okay.
whatever, and he was like in charge of all of the, what do they call that?
Surplus?
It's like not the surplus,
Like
it's
the fatigues?
the stock.
Okay.
I don't know. He was in charge of all that stuff, and he had 1,000 of these bags in his garage when he died. And we're like, we don't know what to do with them. I bet I have one.
Probably.
should
That would be
look if I
so
have
sick to
one.
make one out of that.
So they're all made out of the bags. I don't know how.
Wow.
I'm not 100% sure the quantity on them, but these are sweet.
I love that it has the US right there.
The US is sick.
Who gets these, me or you?
And what size are you?
I don't know.
I'm wearing slip-ons right now.
So am I.
I'm not on screen. I'm wearing slip-ons right now.
Burks, same.
But mine are skate slip-ons.
That's fair. That's fair.
They are size 10.
I want to see what the shape of the insole looks like, because part of what I really liked about the Warsaws that I've been wearing is that it's still somewhat anatomical.
What shoe was that left?
Because like if you look at this compared to like a Converse or other traditional sneakers, they're usually not.
That's my stinky insole. I'm so sorry.
Okay. So you get like an extra quarter of an inch there.
And that's on a 9.5 of a different
Yeah.
brand.
I love them.
Yeah, they're super comfortable. And they're lined with leather too. It's underrated. It's like the lining with leather. You'd probably never need it
Yeah.
for an actual skate shoe, but for like an upgraded skate shoe, it feels so good.
That's literally why we made the saddle soles, because it's such a big difference between a leather top insole like this compared to like a cheap fabric top insoles. They don't stink as much. They wear a lot better.
Yeah, you can smell my foot.
Is
right
this
now.
real leather actually? I don't think this is real leather.
Is it not real leather?
So
Cut it.
just kidding. That's why you should buy a saddle
it.
sole.
Is it not real leather?
I don't think it is.
Look at
It
this
doesn't
close.
feel like leather. I don't have my lighter. But on ours, it's leather. That's all
No,
that
it's
matters.
definitely not. You're right. I don't feel it. Well, it's lined with microfiber and it's going to feel okay.
I'm gonna try it on and see if they even get close to fitting me.
I don't think it's pretty close.
They're too small for me.
Too
Those are
small?
yours. Dang it.
Yes.
Dang it.
Yes.
Jimmy, please. Send me a
How you
pair.
don't skate. Also, the black on the green
Yeah.
on the back looks really good. Big fan. Oh, and the green on the tab there.
Yeah. Those are sick. I wish they fit
All right,
me.
let's open up the next one.
I wish they fit me.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, number 10.
Or is it number 1?
Depends.
10 hashtag?
Or hashtag 01.
RIP to the number sign.
Yeah, bring back Roman numerals. What are we doing?
Oh,
Ooh, dang! All right.
that
That's, yeah.
There you go.
Haze?
Haze.
Or beige or something?
Haze.
Dang.
All right, I'm getting that one out. Oh, that is really cool. And the cool thing about this, I assume they're all different, each and every one, because every bag is going to be slightly
Yeah.
different.
This is also
nice.
not leather. That's all right. You gotta wait.
That's the benefit of the Rose Anvil collab.
Because when do these drop again?
These are restocking June 1st. The very limited quantities. I think there's only about 350 made. Last time they sold out in like a couple hours.
The whole idea with this that we work with Jamie Thomas on through Warsaw was trying to combine a skate sneaker with an everyday sneaker and pulled tons of emphasis from literally like the Danner mountain boots with the big chunky laces, the whole cut construction, the height of them, and it ends up being this perfect shoe that you can skate in, but more importantly, you can wear it every day, you can hike in them, you can do anything in them, but they just so happen to be built on a skate shoe platform. So they drop, what day?
They restocked June 1st. Very limited quantities. They sold out in a couple hours last time. So sign up for the limited edition email list in case you missed it, because they might already be gone by the time you're seeing this.
Those are sick. I'm
These are
shocked that
so cool.
the canvas is, or the fabric is so clean. I thought it was gonna be really like janky and like gnarly, but the fact that you like occasionally are gonna get some actual like print on it, so sick.
I know. I assume very limited quantities of these
Yeah.
as well, because there's only so many bags out there. So check these out and check out these. I've actually, I don't know, the more I've been skating these a bunch lately, and they feel good. They're just really dense and really nice, and I like them. They're dense in a good way.
And I don't even skate, and I wear them a ton just because they're a good all-around shoe. They're definitely a little warm for summer. You know, like I was wearing them a little bit when it was a hot day, and you lose some of that breathability from like a regular skate sneaker. But that's the trade-off you pay when you want a more durable, more versatile sneaker that's gonna last a really long time. You're gonna sacrifice some of the breathability, some of the weight, and some of those things that are inherent to skate sneakers. But that was what was so cool about this is we maintained a vast majority of the skate attributes of this, as far as I know, as a non-skater.
Yes. Can Can affirm.
Can confirm.
Can confirm. Affirm.
Can confirm.
I'm panicking.
Like if one of the Pacific Northwest brands came out with a sneaker, you would assume it's gonna be chock full of leather, it's gonna be super supportive, it's gonna be really heavy, everything, but it's a sneaker through the lens of one of these high-end boots. That's what I love about the Warsaws, is it's a casual sneaker put through the lens of Jamie's career and being a professional skater and everything he's learned about footwear through that, but not just applying it to skate shoes only with this race to the bottom to try to make the fastest, most affordable, cheapest sneaker. They're actually making quality stuff because they're not just skate sneakers. They're skate-inspired sneakers that you can literally hike in a way that you can never hike in any other skate shoe. And that's why I love Warsaw. So be sure to get on that limited edition email list for this drop because you get early access, and they're gonna go fast again because it's not just our email list and our audience that we're selling them to or like pitching them to. It's also all of Jamie's and all the people that follow him. And so they go quick, and we're not just hyping it up because they literally go quick. And plus, the gusseted tongue to me is like my favorite aspect of this whole shoe.
Have a gusset? Oh, the other one doesn't have a gusset.
That's why you gotta buy ours.
Sorry. The other one doesn't have a gusset. Gusset. There we go.
So check them out, and thanks again to Warsaw and Jamie Thomas. Check out CJRB Knives at CJRB Cutlery on Insta or CJRB.net.
Or Kajerb.
Kajerb.net. And that's it. So thank you guys. See ya.
There you go. Eloquently put.
It only took me 3 tries.
It's fine.
So.
And cut.